My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the pop-ups that come from the site Nosef.live. Nosef.live is a truly malicious website that may suddenly attack your browser, and this website Nosef.live displays a lot of scary messages that try to make you scared about the condition of your computer. The pop-up by Nosef.live tries to make you download and install certain potentially unwanted application. So if you see these pop-ups by Nosef.live, don't interact with them, don't install anything that these pop-ups ever suggest. As I said, they lead to the installation of potentially unwanted software. In many cases, all such pop-ups are related to some adware on your Mac or Windows computer. So carefully research the list of all the available programs, and if you find any items that are suspicious, get rid of them. I would also strongly advise that you consider scanning your system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the software, and begin researching your system with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.